Welcome to the future of keyboard customization. Awekeys full metal keycap sets are crafted from recycled metals, reducing waste and minimizing our carbon footprint. Each keycap is crafted in popular cherry profile with multiple colors and finishes. With 7 vibrant colors to choose from, you can personalize your keyboard to match your style and mood. Each color comes in both matte and glossy finishes. Whether you prefer a sleek and shiny look or a more understated and textured feel, we've got you covered. But that's not all. We also offer 3 exclusive special editions plated with real gold, silver, and titanium black. These special editions add a touch of elegance to any keyboard setup. Our keycap set is produced using advanced full CNC machining with precision and care, ensuring impeccable quality. You can experience an instant keycap upgrade right away with a simple pull and plug and enjoy the sound of metal's keycap under your fingers. For the most brand and keyboard layout, our keycaps provide a perfect fit. Upgrade your typing experience today. Discover Awekeys eco-friendly metal keycap set, which cherishes craftsmanship and sustainability.